a G, got my nullos.
I'm just saying.
We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
Stop!
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
So, hello everyone, it's Sammy. I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it has been a crazy day. Let's just say, woo! What a day, but yes, we are back in business. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all them support.
2.5 million as promised.
And welcome to my channel. You know, I think I love that too much. So what's going on? Just let me know. Let's get into this. Uncle Roger is out with a video and I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this. I'm not kidding you guys. I had to go get a new laptop. My laptop crashed. It has been a day. So a lot of work. Woo! Guys, life can be very intriguing. Let me put it that way. So we are back with a new laptop. You guys know YouTube ain't pay me, but it is what it is. So Uncle Roger, proud of Malaysian. Oh, okay, let's see.
Yeah, we don't want any lump in our fried rice. Correct. Egg fried rice should not be lumpy. If you feel lump on your body, that means you have cancer. If you feel lump in your egg fried rice, that means it's made by Jamie.
Oh wow, it's so good. Okay.
Hello, niece and nephew. It's
I love the background.
Roger. Uncle Roger, I survived quarantine in Malaysia. And now I am free man back in the real world. Feel like I just got out of prison. Because
it's true, they have to put it there, yeah.
Prison. The only difference is nothing happened.
I miss living dead, right? I'm not sure.
I realized I reviewed fried rice by British chef.
I know.
Chef. I think now it's time to
bring it home.
My own people.
Yep.
Malaysian chef fried rice.
Okay,
today, Uncle Roger gonna review fried rice by Malaysian chef Sherson Lien. We're gonna watch this video. Uncle Roger. This Malaysian fried rice can or not?
Okay now.
Uncle Roger, be the judge of that. Niece and nephew, before we start, smack the subscribe button now like how your parents smack you. And also, smack the like button.
That's
Make
right.
Uncle Roger happy.
Uncle Roger, Uncle Roger, Uncle Roger. Your humble nephew from Malaysia want to show you my version of Malaysian fried rice. I'm sure you...
Okay. This guy say he want to show me.
Yeah, he literally called you out, girl.
I like this guy. But what the deal with the bracelet and the necklace?
For cooking, right? He's like, I'm fancy.
How many bracelet does a grown man need? The answer is 0.
He's
Are you about to cook or about to go to music festival? Right
what
now,
did I say?
Pandemic time, there are no music festival. Take off your bracelet, Sherson.
Let's see.
There's been a lot of craze about fried rice and what Uncle Roger thinks of it. Ingredients are very simple. The first of vegetables. I'm using long beans that are just sliced and some carrots that are julienne.
Vegetable. Uncle Roger don't like vegetable. I think vegetable tastes like
But it's good for the body.
If you really need to put vegetable, long bean and carrot is okay. Maybe Chef Sherson don't want to get constipation. Okay, Uncle Roger can accept.
For the rice, now, it's a very sensitive subject. Rice, this has been cooked in a rice cooker because that's how Malaysians do it.
Oh my God, what he said?
He knows what he's doing.
Replay.
Rice, this has been cooked in a rice cooker because that's how Malaysians do it.
He cooked rice in rice cooker.
Which is good.
This is first time Uncle Roger hear rice cooker.
It's true. The others are, he's
finally, rice cooker.
My husband does it in the rice cooker all the time.
Love of my life. When Uncle Roger proposed to Auntie Helen, I got down on one knee, brought out the rice cooker, and then Uncle Roger said, "Will you marry me?" Open rice cooker, and the ring is in there.
You're
lying.
Thinking
back, proposing to Auntie Helen, it's waste of rice cooker.
And it's been left overnight in the fridge to dry out perfect.
You guys know.
Okay, he's saying all the right things so far. This is the type of dirty talk Uncle Roger.
A classic. Classic. Not debatable. Not up for debate.
I've got shallots and also some garlic.
Good.
Really good.
He's using shallot also. Shallot is better version of onion. Only poor people use onion. If you can't afford shallot, work harder. And maybe one day you too can afford one bowl of shallot.
Oh my
this
gosh.
Chopping so this chopping even better than
I'm scared, guys.
This chopping so calming.
I know it's very
just
cool.
watch Sherson chopping. No more depression.
As for the eggs, my eggs ratio are a bit more special. I've used 2 eggs combined with 2 additional egg yolks because that just gives more protein, more fat that will be delivered into flavor to the rice.
This is good technique.
He's
Uncle Roger stole this technique.
I'm vegan, so but when I wasn't vegan, I would just drink it. I know.
4 egg yolk.
And it felt yucky.
Let's kill off all the weak high cholesterol people. They should join the weak peanut allergy people. Only weak people get their arteries clogged. So weak.
Stop!
I'm using sambal belacan.
Okay.
Sambal belacan, Malaysian chili paste, similar to
He's
what
not playing
Uncle
at all. He's
Roger
like giving it to us.
MSG.
Oh.
Okay, Uncle Roger.
Oh, he really
I'm not
wait.
using
This video is
MSG.
for him.
I have pounded fried anchovy. So with every bite of fried rice,
you're feeling
you get this nice saltiness from the
anchovy.
Uncle Roger.
Okay now.
At least he acknowledged he not using
It's
MSG.
like no MSG, but I got
replacement
something.
for the umami flavor. Don't be shy. Sprinkle little bit of MSG on that.
Yes,
it
guys.
make it even better. Because Uncle Roger always say there is such thing as too salty, too sweet. But no such thing as too umami.
Guys,
saying your food
when
is
you're
too
learning,
umami. It's like
you're
saying
guilty
you
of
have
that.
too much money. No such thing. But okay, Uncle Roger admit pounded anchovy, flavor very nice. Pestle and mortar is also authentic Asian cooking utensil. We use it to make all our spices. Many white people using food processor to make their spice. Food processor is so impersonal.
My African one, she's like,
button and then robot make the spice for you.
I'm so happy
How it gonna be good?
that I
But
learned that,
pestle
sir.
and mortar, you have to crush it with your own hand.
Yeah.
You feel the spirit of the food. Food tastes better. If you have food processor at home, throw it out. Buy pestle and mortar. Do it the Asian way.
Or the
Asian
blender.
People, we like smashing food with hand, just like we like beating children with our hand. More feeling.
I was about to say smash someone, but beat
All
someone.
that said, all his ingredients correct so far.
The tea is exceptionally good today. Who made this? Very delicious. Hold on.
Let's see how his cooking go.
Okay, let's start cooking.
All right, let's go. Ooh, nice fire.
Nice and hot so the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot.
Correct.
Yeah, in the US, we'll go. Honey, we just get it and put it.
Look at the camera guy. Look at the camera
No,
guy.
you're lying.
What's he wearing? What's he wearing?
came into
wear
the
white
food.
pants in the kitchen. And also,
maybe they will
I
edit
feel
it in
bad
a
for
different
him.
way.
All he do is point camera at walk. So boring. This guy probably went to filmmaking school, study all the great director, the Kurosawa, the Scorsese,
Then he comes
and then he
close.
start working for Sherson. And Sherson say, just point camera at wok and shut up.
While the wok is heating up, I like to add the seasonings to the rice.
Okay. This is smart. Save time.
Okay now.
So much wok hay.
Also how to get the wok hay.
See what I tell you?
Oh, he has watched Uncle Raja's video a lot.
It's been passed down from my mother.
In Asian family, this is how you know you're the favorite child. If your parent passed down cooking utensils to you, I think Sherson mom tell him, Sherson, you my favorite child, so you get my wok. Your brother and sister, I don't like so much, so they
You
get
better keep that
wok.
work out, bye.
So we add cold oil to a hot wok.
What the?
Correct. First step, garlic and shallot.
Okay, this is serious, people.
Ooh, he put corn in his egg fried rice. Yo, this fried rice so fancy.
No, fancy. Oh my God.
Like when Auntie Helen gets struck down by lightning.
He's a twicer. Yeah, he has to be.
There we go. The eggs nice and fluffy.
Okay.
Now, rice in.
Woo. So it's marinating
so
there.
delicious. Ooh, tossing, not bad.
Why is not being a vegan? I love being a vegan,
Stir the rice around. Yeah, we don't want any lumps in our fried rice. We want the rice,
now.
each grain as an individual grain.
Correct. Egg fried rice should not be lumpy. Lump is always bad. If you feel lump on your
fried rice
body,
being
that means
lumpy?
you have
I'm shocked.
cancer. If you feel lump in your egg fried rice,
Let me see,
that
don't
means it's
fuck
made
up.
by Jamie Oliver.
Damn
You want to
shit.
get the rice so hot that the rice starts jumping off the wok and bouncing around.
That's how you know your egg fried rice is good. When your rice look like it's going clubbing.
Vegetables in.
The fuck? Wait
Ooh,
now.
good tossing again. Good tossing. Slow motion
Honey.
like the Matrix.
Right. This is food, right?
Yo, that's serving so
Honey.
graceful. Let's see it again.
I don't give up, I'm sorry. You all making cooking look so...
This guy tossing and serving so smooth, smoother than
Look,
butter.
I'm just looking at the cooking like...
Roger need to learn this technique.
Some spring onion.
Oh.
So, this is my version of Malaysian fried rice.
Okay now.
Not bad, not bad. Uncle Roger, quite impressed.
Honey,
This fried rice, Uncle
you are
Roger
ain't seen
approved.
nothing yet.
This guy
This
is
is-
Uncle Sherson from now on.
You can
This is
see the
cooking,
steam
right?
just
See how big...
coming out.
Uncle Roger like the fried rice,
Yes, chef.
but I still can't get over what this wee Joe guy is wearing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hiya.
He
Wee
wore
Joe
that-
guy, so many
What
flowers.
if
Sherson, so many
oil pours all over his
I think
body?
Uncle Sherson only work with people with terrible fashion taste.
I get it.
Usually,
With terrible?
Wee Joe guy don't appear in Wee Joe.
Right.
So when he got hired by
He's like-
Uncle Sherson, he thinking nobody gonna judge what I wear. But surprise, everybody can see you. But credit where credit.
Stop!
At least he
What
wear
the...
a face mask. No fashion
What's
sense,
up,
but
bro?
at least he responsible.
I'm sure, Uncle Roger, you miss eating authentic Malaysian fried rice. You've been in Kuala country too long eating all your so-called fried rice.
This Uncle Sherson love roasting white people also. Niece and nephew. Guai Lo is Cantonese word for white people. It literally translates to ghost man because they so white like ghosts. But don't use this in a mean way. This is just cute term for white people in Asia.
Honey.
I humbly request, show me, one time, your version of fried rice.
My mom said in
Uncle
Africa they call
Roger
them
showed you
Oyibos.
already.
Yeah.
Go
That they
watch
call
Uncle
Caucasians
Roger's
Oyibos.
fried
I'm
rice
like,
video.
huh? Okay.
Not as poor as you, but not bad for home cook, according to Michelin star chef list.
Ooh.
Niece and nephew, go subscribe to Uncle Sherson channel. This egg fried rice very good. Next time, don't be shy. Sprinkle some MSG. Will make your fried rice even better. And wear fewer bracelets. Uncle Roger, currently in Malaysia. Hopefully get to taste some of
Right,
Uncle
in
Sherson's
person.
food someday. Niece and nephew, stick around for blooper. Bye bye. Uncle Roger,
now.
put some decoration back there, so I need to make sure that my computer don't block my nice whiskey. See, Asian whiskey, so delicious. Quarantine is just like prison, except nothing happened when you drop the soap.
It's so because no one is
Are you about to cook rice, or are you about to go to music festival?
Stop.
So many bracelets.
He doesn't
It's
play, he
pandemic,
just...
no music festival. Sherson, take off your bracelet.
Honey.
Many people tell Uncle Roger, vegetable healthy for you.
Yeah! I love vegetables. Apples? Woo! Apples are fruits. Lord of mercy.
Clogged arteries. Using food processor is like using vibrator.
You're lying, girl. Savvy children. I love when you say that. Savvy children. I love that. I'm sorry.
And then he applied job with Sherson, and Sherson tell him, just point camera at walk.
Can you imagine going to film school, then that's what you end up doing?
This guy shot so many flowers. He looked like
being a
a failed
hairstylist, then you end up...
This guy shot so many flowers. Are you an extra on Miami Vice?
Doing
This
blow
guy
dries
look
for the
like
rest of your life.
unsuccessful drug dealer. He was good at dealing drugs, so now he videographer. This guy looked like he run a very low-class strip club.
Lord have mercy. The int... Girl!
Your shirt, dude. Please don't be mad at me.
He's destroying this kid. Okay, guys. Honey, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Actually, in Africa, my mom said they always call Caucasians Oyibos. So in the part of Africa she's from, they call them Oyibos. So whenever she has a chat with me, she's like, oh, you've been in the Oyibo, you know, or in the, I'm like, Mom, stop. She's like, no, you're part of the Oyibo, you've been there. I'm like, Mom, you know. So it's kind of, at first when I heard Oyibo, I was like, Mom, what's that? And she's like, no, it's a cute term for Caucasians, you know. Oh, you know, I was like, at least it's better than hearing the word white man's land. I'm like, what the fuck is, like, what type of word is that? So Oyibo, out as statistician, she said it's a cute term. It's not meant to be, you know, insulting. So I'm like, I'm here for it. I cannot wait to see it. I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. I'm sorry, and what do you guys think? Yeah, oh, honey. Bye, guys. Wait, did you see how they did cooking, guys? I'll be like, honey, okay, now we are in trouble. I'm like, you know, yeah, just doing the camera like that. Yeah, it's true though. That's why when I see a hairstylist after going to cosmetology school and you end up doing blow dries for the rest of your life, I'm like, wait, you're lying. Did you just, you know, put all the stuff you've learned in school into just blow drying? That's it? I don't get it.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
But to each his own, honey. I know it's gotten to a point where I have to leave behind the chair because, guys, my other life is taking off, and unfortunately, I'm not, you know, unless people are deciding, I no longer have the time to be able to still practice as a hairstylist. And I feel bad because some of my guests, the few ones that are left, they're like, oh my god, you're so great at what you do, you know, find a way to keep doing it so we can still come to you because we don't know how to go. I'm like, guys, I'll see if I can work Saturdays or Sundays or Saturdays and Sundays because my new job will be taking Mondays to Fridays as a part-time, no, as a full-time personal assistant to a stock day trader, and I'm here for it. Guys, you guys know I have a degree in engineering, so maths, I was like, wait, maths is making me more money than being a stylist? I don't know, but anyway, I can't wait to see you guys soon in the next video for Saturday, and that's I I love you guys so much. I'll try and see if I can still be a hairstylist 1 or 2 days a week because I'm doing videos on the weekends, then full-time job from February 15th, from Mondays to Fridays, trading stocks and investing and stuff like that. Whew, guys, you all start working smart, okay? I've done working hard all my life, it didn't work, so it's time to start working smart. I love you guys.
A classic. Classic. Not debatable. Not up for debate.
And I do what I gotta do just to make it work.
I'm just saying.
Usually I don't do this. That's just how I feel.